Hello everyone, I'm Dr. E.V.N. Jyothi. Today we will learn about structures and pointers. In C programming, a structure is used to group related data of different types. A pointer is used to store the address of a variable. When we combine structures and pointers, we can access structure members effectively, pass structures to functions easily, and third one, build dynamic data structures like linked list. What is a structure pointer? What is the definition of structure and pointers? A structure pointer is a pointer variable that stores the address of a structure variable. A structure pointer is a pointer variable that stores the address of a structure variable. Declaration of structure pointer. Struct space student is the structure name. I'm defining two data members, roll number and the average. Okay, this is my structure. Now I want to be define object. Struct space structure name is the student and object name is S. That is S is a structure variable. Okay. Now struct space student space pointer variable P we are defining. Here P is a pointer to structure. Okay. What is the structure name? Student. What are the data members? Roll number and the average. What is the object? S. What is the pointer variable? P. Assigning address to structure pointer. How we have to store? P equal to ampersand S. P equal to ampersand S. What is the meaning for this? Now P points to the structure S. How we have to access structure members by using a pointer. Okay, by using the arrow operator. By using the arrow operator, we have to access the members. How? See, after seeing the object, immediately data members will be stored. That is roll number and the average. Normally, how we have to access? S dot roll number, S dot average. Like this, we have to access normally. But here we are stored the address of S to the pointer variable P. So how we have to be access this one? P arrow roll number, P arrow average. Like this we have to be accessed. And normally we have to access S dot roll number and S dot average. But we are assigning the address of this S to the pointer variable P. So if you want to access the roll number and the average, with the help of arrow operator, we have to access it. How we have to access it? What is the pointer variable here? P. What are the data members, roll number and the average? And we store the address of S to the pointer variable. So how we have to be access that? P arrow roll number, P arrow average. Like this we have to access that members. The arrow operator is used to access the structure members through a pointer. Through a pointer. Now I want to explain with an example program. Example program. Hash include stdio.h Before the main only we have to define the structure. Struct space student within the braces int space roll number float space average, okay, closing braces, and it ends with semicolon. Structure starts with the keyword struct and structure ends with the semicolon. Now main program int space main of open braces struct space student space, what is the object? S is the object. Now I want to define the pointer variable also. Struct space student space star p. What is the variable name? P. P is a pointer variable. Now I want to store the address of S to the P. So how we have to access? In the normally we have to access S dot roll number, S dot average. But how we have to access here? P arrow. Why? The arrow operator is used to access the structure members through a pointer. So we have to access P arrow roll number, P arrow average. First I want to assign the values. After that I want to be display. How we have to be assigned? P arrow roll number equal to 1, 2, 3. P arrow average equal to 67.56. Like this, I am assigning the values to the roll number and the average. Now I want to be display. Printf roll number equal to percentile d comma p arrow roll number. Printf average equal to percentile f comma p arrow average. Okay. Return 0, closing this. This is my program. Okay. Now, what is the object? S. What are the data members? Roll number, average. What is the roll number? 1, 2, 3. What is the average? 67.56. Okay. And we stored the address of S to the pointer variable P. So, how we have to access Nana? P arrow roll number and P arrow average. So, now tell me what is the output for this program? Roll number equal to 123, average equal to 67.56. Like this, we have to execute it. Okay. Now, why use pointers with structure? First one, efficient memory access. Second one, avoid copying large structures. Third one, useful for dynamic memory allocation. Fourth one, essential for linked list, trees, graphs. Thank you.